Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are watching from and depending the time that you are watching this video. You guys are highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I have so many things to do today, so many things. As a mother is not easy. Today is Saturday. So my husband niece is staying with me. She's living with me. So she have already graduated from secondary school. So now I want to go and put her the place that she will be learning fashion and design, and that is how to sew clothes. So that is where I will be heading by tomorrow. But for now, I'll be going to buy the things that they demanded from me. Yes, I have go there and collect the list. So they say I should buy 1 crate of malt, 1 cartons of malt, because now they are not dealing in crate again. That is bottle, is can. So they asked me to buy 1 carton of malt, 2 cabin biscuits, and the 1 bottle of granuts. So, but when me and the woman was talking, I told her that you know how country is. As a woman, she is. Yes, as a woman, she is. She have to reduce the prices of everything, the things that she tell me that I will buy. So she now decided that I should buy 1 pack of Pepsi and 1 pack of Coke. So, and the 2 cabin biscuits only, with the money that is, but I will not mention that one because the money is somehow huge. So that is where I'll be heading now. That is where I'll be going now. Let me go and buy those things with scissors, tape, and what else again? It's like needle. So I tried needle. So I'll be going there now to go and buy those things, so that by tomorrow, by Monday, we will be going there, because I want her to start work by Monday. So I'm kind. So after, if I come back, I will make their lunch. After making lunch, I will cook. Every time is cooking. It's not easy. It's not easy. I want to make rice sauce. Yes, I want to make rice sauce. It has been a while that I make that rice sauce for my family, so I want to make it today. So I'm going to take you guys around with me. So stay connected and keep on watching. Thank you very much. Flyer. I drop again. On the page now. Hey guys, I am back. I'm back from the shop. So this is the Coke and Pepsi that I bought. So I bought this one 4,100. I bought this one 4,300. Then cabin biscuit 1,000. She asked me to bring 2 cabin biscuits and 1 scissors, but I didn't see tape and needle. I'll go back for that maybe tomorrow. If I go market, I'll buy it. So by Monday, we will be going there. I'm going to take you guys around with me. along with me. So although the woman is looking for another shop because they give them quick notice for the shop that they are selling. They want to renovate the shop. Yes, they want to renovate the shop. So the woman right now, the woman is looking for shop. So I don't know when she's going to get another shop, but for now, lesson will start in that particular place. So whenever she relocates, she will follow her to relocate too. But for now, let her start work because it's very important. It's very important to handwork is very important. Very. I know that education matters. Yes, education matters, but at the same time, handwork matters. Yes, handwork matters. Something that you know that yes, you can you can employ yourself. You will be a in short. I don't know how to put it, but something that you know that you can do without looking for a place to work. At least when you get your machine, you get some certain things, you have start sewing. Something like this Lagos now. Some people doesn't have shop in this Lagos, but they are doing this. They are making money. They are making money inside their house. Yes, without having shop, they are making money inside their house. So handwork is very important. It's very important. Not school that you will finish going, you start carrying file, walking around with shekeli payments. The payment that they will be even telling yourself will be clacking your brain. Just it will be paining you. Some will give you condition before they give you work, but at least let her go and learn this one and catch it up. Then if she want to go further, she can start going further. At least she'll be working and be going. She'll be working and be going and be getting a lot of money, you know. So this one is the first. This one is the first. So I'm going to take you guys around with me on Monday. Just stay connected and keep on watching. So now I'll quickly go and prepare our food because I want to cook lunch. After lunch, I will cook dinner. Yes, because today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, so I want to make rice sauce as I told you guys. So keep on watching and see how I make my rice sauce. I love you guys. So guys, right now I am in the kitchen cutting my cabbage. So I'm slicing the cabbage in a small sizes for the sauce. So I don't know how you do your own sauce, but me, I like using cabbage, I like using carrots, spring onions, green beans. So I don't know how you do yours, but this is how I do my rice sauce. So you guys should stay connected and watch the full video. Okay guys, at this point, these are my vegetables that I'm going to use for the sauce. This is my carrots, spring onions, green beans, fresh tomatoes, onions, and the spring onions. So I'm getting my sauce ready. So I'm putting everything down to the pot. So this is how I made my sauce. So in this place now, I'll be adding my fresh tomatoes. Then I will leave it for just a minute or 2 minutes. Then I will add other things. I will put my carrots. I'll add my carrots inside. Then after adding the carrots, I'll now put my chicken stock. Then after the chicken stock, I add my green beans. So this sauce is ready, is getting ready. In just less than 10 minutes, the sauce will be ready. So now it's time for spices. So you can use any spices of your choice. You know, our choice is different. My choice is not yours. So you can use any spices of your choice to make the aroma yummy and nice. So I'm putting my Maggi. I'm using only 2 cubes of Maggi. So after that, I'll add my fresh pepper that I have grounded. Put my cabbage that I slice in a small sizes. So I think my sauce is ready. Then my meat, this is the last bus stop. So everything is getting ready here, guys. How do you say the sauce? Is it beautiful, or is it yummy? How will I put it? Is it yummy? Is it looking delicious? Please put it in the comment section. So my sauce is ready, guys. This is the end of this video. Hope to see you guys in